guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, friend, you kind of late. CP time is not always good, okay? It's not always good. But we're gonna hop right into this video because you guys know by the title and the thumbnail. We're gonna be trying out the waveformers today. You guys, I know, have been anticipating seeing me do this. So we about to give you all the tea because you already know how we do. Okay. I'm not gonna have a long intro. I don't really like long intros, but I do have a lot of waveformers. I got 48, okay? This is how they are. Now, I do have the short ones too. I purchased all of them. I want to see, well actually, it's a long story. I'll tell y'all the story later, but I have short ones and I have long ones. These, my friend, are the 65-inch ones, and I just feel like your hair is gonna grow, so you might as well just get the long ones because you don't know, friend. And when they grow out of those, you can't use them no more. So I do have the 65-inch, and I got them off eBay. It took a minute. It took like a month or so, but it's okay. I have them now, and we're about to do it. Now, the only thing I've done, I've actually just filmed my wash day routine. So once that's live, I will put it up above so that you guys can see what wash day I actually use to get my hair to look like it is right now. But my hair is already shampooed, deep conditioned, and the leave-in conditioner is already on it as well. And I use the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in. And for this hairstyle, I did see a lot of videos, and a lot of people's hair was like poofy the next day. So I'm just gonna use good old wet line, baby, because I need some holds. I never really do rod sets or anything that without using a gel, so it wouldn't make sense to do this type of set without using a gel either. So we're gonna use the wet line extreme, and we're gonna use the blue one, friend. Y'all know what? I do something that's very weird, but I think it's kind of effective. I actually leave the top off of my gel so that they can get a little thicker, a little tackier. Am I the only person that does that or notice that? Yeah. So we're going to get started. My hair is so moisturized. It feels so soft, but it's also wet. I did want to have my hair a little wet because, you know, that helps with setting. We're going to start from the back. We're going to start from the back. It does come with a stick as well to put your waveformer through, and they come with these like flimsy ass pink ones, y'all. No, it's so flimsy, but I have like so many curl formers, you guys, and I actually was not a fan of curl formers, but their one is very great. I just put the extension on that came in those packs because I didn't have one with an extension. So this one should be long enough. I got my brush. This is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm just going to go ahead and brush through my hair. Get me some of this gel, girl. Got some gel. Get the roots. Get that hair. Make sure that's all smooth. And so now I'm going to take a waveformer. Put it in there. Hold this taut, twist it a little bit, hold it taut, put your thing in, push this up first. See, a lot of y'all forgetting to do that. I don't know if y'all forgetting to do that or y'all just didn't know to do that, but you gotta push that up for it, friend. And then hold it like that. See, this is why I didn't want that damn pink one. Because they trash. Oh my gosh. Okay. This trashy pink one. Now I got to get this out of here. Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to pull down a little bit. And there we go. Where my hair stop? Oh. Hair stops like right here. My hair stops right there. That is up there real tight too, and snug, friend. But I don't know what I'm about to do about this because this pink one is a no-go for me. Like, maybe I could do it without it being extended. So I think I'm just going to try it. Just a regular one. But anyway, first one down. I don't know how many to go. But this is how my hair looks in it. Alright. So, I'm just going to play some music and let you guys kind of just watch me. That's my style. I just like to play some music while y'all watch me do my hair. So, let go. So I wanted to come back and show you guys the last one. Y'all, they are super easy. I do have some tips though. First tip is, first of all, do not try to put a lot of hair in one of these. Just like the curl formers, you need to take it slow when you're sliding out this thing. Like, don't go super fast. If your hair and your curls aren't like juicy like this, like you could possibly do a wash and go, then you haven't done something right, okay? But, you know, it's all in preference. This is just if you want, like, hold and stuff. If you want it to be fluffy, then you definitely don't want to do exactly what I'm doing. But if you want to kind of hold it and be nice and moisturized and stuff. I do that kind of with every style, though. Like, my braid outs, my twist outs. Like, I started off. You see how easy that was? I just did it while I was on camera. But, like, I started off, or I make my hair just as good as I would a wash and go. And it always comes out so great. So definitely take that tip. Like, make sure you're moisturized, make sure your curls are popping, and all that good stuff. So I've installed them all, as you can see. Yellows in the back, blues in the front, and I think I have 48. And I only have 4 left. I am going to go sit under my hooded dryer. You guys know I have a dryer. So I'm going to go sit under the hooded dryer. I don't know for how long. This pretty much took like an hour to do. Okay, you guys. So I've dried my hair. I sat in the dryer, I want to say for like an hour. And then I had a call to take. It's now 4 o'clock. But I have already, you know, I sat on the dryer and stuff. So I thought it was dry. So I did have to take one out because I was like, listen, I hope it's dry. And baby, it's dry and it's crispy in the mug. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out, you guys. They're so easy, you just basically pull them out. So easy. Since they're so long, you literally just pull them out the bottom. God damn, I have flat. flat, hunty. Okay. So y'all can hear it. Wow, this is like straight. Like straight. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try to take some of this apart. And it's so funny because I was talking to Jay. I was like, I feel like this is gonna be something that's only good for like stretching your hair so that you don't have to, you know, blow dry it. I think I'm gonna have to stick to that because I don't know about this. But I do want to say, I do think this works really great with a gel. It's interesting. I look like a shaved dog. So I'm trying to fluff it a little bit. Oh my god, it can feel my head and everything. Okay, let me show you guys the back. How it look? Cute. Y'all know, y'all can see like I'm playing with my hair a lot. And it's not getting frizzy. I'm hoping it gets frizzy. But it's not. Okay, you guys, so I've done up my face and everything, and I want to say I actually like the results. This is giving me the wet look. It's really giving me the wet look, and now I get why it's called the Wet Line Extreme. No, seriously, like, I feel like this is giving me beachy, wet look. Now, you thought I was gonna say it, y'all know. It looks good, though. Like, it got bigger, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not just, like, flat. I mean, for something that you did not put heat to, come on, sis. It is cute. It's stretched. You get you some length. You can get you some days out of it. You can put a hat on. Friend, I think we might be on to something. You know what I'm saying? We might just be on to something. And some of it back here didn't dry, but like you really can't tell. But I think I like it, y'all. I can't stop looking at myself because I'm like, I didn't straighten my hair? What? Bitch, you could not tell me I didn't straighten my hair. This is so cute. Anyway. You know, you can pin it up. Ugh. Give me life, bitch. What? Can't you? You know what I'm saying? So overall, you guys, I honestly would have to say this is a great invention product. I honestly, this is one of those where it's just like the Rev Air dryer. It's like, dang, are we really getting things that is not gonna cause like heat damage? What? Okay, I'm a little upset though because I have a photo shoot tomorrow, so I have to wash my hair and do a wash and go. I'm a little upset. I'm actually a lot upset about that part, but I'm gonna do it again next week. I definitely would have to say, even though I put that wet line gel on, my hair doesn't feel crunchy. Like after, like I've done like the prayer hands to kind of like get rid of the cast, but after you get rid of the cast, you guys, it's really cute. Like I have no cast. My hair is so soft. Friend, go get you some. I'm gonna put the link in the description bar. Like I said, I have the 65 centimeters. Did I say inches earlier? Bitch, I know inches. I got the 65 centimeter ones. So definitely get the longer one so you can just make sure all your hair is put in. I mean, root straight. I can legit braid my hair from this. Like, what? This is vacation hair, like, for real. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.